Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Hack. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the video call sound problem. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For that, you just need to install and update the Messenger app from the Play Store so that you can enjoy the latest version or the latest features of the Messenger. So open the Messenger app and on the top left corner you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it, then tap on the gear icon on the top right of the screen. You will be access to this page where you need to tap on notifications and sound and see if you have toggle off the notification. Then just you need to tap on the on option on the top of the screen and toggle on the notifications and sound. After that, if you want to set the ringtone as per your preference, then you need to tap on the ringtone, and from here you can choose any ringtone you would like to set. If you want to customize the notification, then just tap on the customize notification and you need to toggle on the allow notifications option by tapping in it. After you have toggled on the allow notification option, then go back and then your video call sound problem might be resolved. If this way does not resolve your video call sound problem, then you need to go back again. Then you need to go on the setting of your phone and tap on the apps. After that, you need to select the app management and wait until the apps are loaded here, and you need to search the Messenger app. Once you are on this page, you need to tap on the storage uses and clear all the cache. Go back again and allow all the permission of this app by tapping in the permission option. If the app's permission aren't allowed, then you just need to tap on the particular apps and tap on allow. On the similar way, you can turn on all the apps permission. Doing this step, if the problem hasn't been yet fixed, then you can just restart your phone and fix the sound problem of the video call on the Messenger. So this was it guys. Thank you.